How to download Amanda the Adventurer on PC. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how you may follow up this method, so go ahead and open up Amanda the Adventurer in Google, and then you will be finding those results on your screen. So once you scroll down, you should be finding some methods to download it, and you can use this method of Steam for it. So go ahead and open up the Steam applications browser, and when you open it up, you should be finding the description about the game right here and an option that lets you download. So in order to download it, you need to buy it. You need to pay a certain amount. For this, you need to pay $8.99, and just go on with the payment method after you want to download it. Continue shopping, and after everything is completed, the game should be downloaded on your PC. So that's it for now. You can follow up this method. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video, and we will see you on the next one.